Imagine holding the future of computing in your hands, but for the price of a weekend getaway. For years, the base model iPad was the budget choice, the one you bought for your kids or for casual Netflix binging. But something massive is happening in Cupertino. 2026 is the year the cheap iPad finally grows up. This isn't just an incremental update, it's a total shift in Apple's strategy. Today, we are deep diving into the iPad 12th generation. We're talking about the death of the A-series chip bottleneck, the arrival of Apple Intelligence for the masses, and why this specific tablet might actually make the iPad Air obsolete. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you are planning to buy a tablet in the next 12 months, stop everything. You need to hear this before you spend a single dollar. Let's be real for a second. The iPad lineup has been confusing. You have the Pro, the Air, the Mini, and then the standard iPad. For a long time, the standard iPad felt like it was living in the past. Even the 11th gen, which was a solid machine, felt like it was holding back. But the leaks coming out of the supply chain in late 2025 and now in early 2026 suggest that Apple is tired of playing it safe. The iPad 12 is rumored to be the great equalizer. Why? Because of the silicon. For the first time, Apple is expected to bridge the gap between their flagship iPhones and their entry-level tablets in a way that actually matters. We are looking at the potential inclusion of the A18 or even the A19 chip. Now, why does that matter to you, the person just wanting a reliable device? It's two words: Apple Intelligence. Up until now, if you wanted the full suite of Apple's AI features, the smart writing tools, the advanced Siri, the image generation, you had to pay the Pro tax. You had to buy the expensive stuff. But with the 12th gen, the AI gates are being thrown wide open. But it's not just about what's inside. Let's talk about the physical reality of this device. The design language that started with the iPad 10 is here to stay, but with a refined twist. Think thinner bezels, a more vibrant 11-inch liquid retina display, and colors that actually look professional yet fun. We're hearing whispers of a new Midnight and a refreshed Starlight that make the iPad 12 look significantly more expensive than its price tag suggests. Wait, let's address the elephant in the room. The display. Everyone is asking, will we finally get 120 Hz promotion on the base iPad? I'll be honest with you, Apple loves their tiers. While the 12th gen display is going to be brighter, hitting 600 nits, and more color accurate for those of you who dabble in Procreate or Canva, promotion is likely still a Pro-only feature. However, when the software is this optimized and the chip is this fast, 60 Hz starts to feel a lot smoother than it did 5 years ago. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of why the iPad 12 is going to be the student king of 2026. Education is the biggest market for this device. Apple knows this. That's why the integration with the Apple Pencil Pro is the headline feature for the creative side. Imagine having barrel roll and squeeze gestures on a device that costs half as much as the iPad Pro. It's a game changer for digital artists on a budget. No more settling for the basic pencil experience. But what about battery life? This is where the USA audience is the most demanding. We need our devices to last from the first coffee in the morning to the last email at night. The A19